We stand at the precipice of a new era. A new civilization beckons. It's a civilization built on the foundation of ethics and morals, one where respect and love are not mere words, but the guiding principles of our lives. This isn't a utopian dream, it's a necessary evolution. Our current systems are crumbling. Inequality, hate, and disrespect are rampant. We've neglected the values that truly matter: compassion, empathy, and understanding. We've forgotten that every individual, regardless of age, profession, or background, deserves to be treated with dignity. This new dawn isn't about grand gestures or superficial changes. It's about a fundamental shift in our hearts and minds. It's about choosing kindness over cruelty, understanding over judgment, and love over hate. It's about building a society where everyone feels safe, valued, and respected. Respect is the cornerstone of this new civilization. It's about acknowledging the inherent worth of every individual. It's about treating others with the same kindness and consideration that we expect for ourselves. This respect extends to our youngest members. Children are not objects to be controlled or exploited. They are individuals with rights, dreams, and potential. Child marriages, a practice that robs children of their childhood and future, must be eradicated. Respect also means standing against hate in all its forms. Racism, sexism, homophobia, and any form of discrimination have no place in a society built on love. We must actively challenge these prejudices and create a world where diversity is celebrated, not feared. Our children are the architects of our future. Protecting them is not just a moral imperative, it's an investment in our collective well-being. Providing access to quality education, healthcare, and a safe environment is crucial. We must also empower our youth. Let's encourage their curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking. Let's teach them the values of empathy, respect, and responsibility. Let's equip them with the tools they need to build a better tomorrow. This protection extends beyond physical well-being. We must also safeguard their mental and emotional health. Open communication, support systems, and a culture of kindness are essential for nurturing resilient and compassionate individuals. Every profession plays a vital role in our society. From teachers and doctors to sanitation workers and artists, each individual contributes to the collective good. We must recognize and value the dignity of every role, regardless of its perceived status or financial compensation. In the service sector, prioritizing the needs of clients and customers is paramount. Businesses should focus on building trust and fostering genuine connections. Treating clients with respect and understanding is not just good ethics, it's good business. Similarly, civil servants have a responsibility to serve the public with integrity and respect. Their role is to uphold the values of fairness, justice, and equality. A society built on respect demands that every individual, regardless of their position, is treated with dignity. Building a respectful society goes beyond professional settings. It's about how we interact with each other in our daily lives. It's about the small acts of kindness, the words of encouragement, and the willingness to lend a helping hand. It's about being patient with the cashier, offering your seat on the bus, and simply smiling at a stranger. It's about listening with an open mind, even when we disagree. It's about choosing understanding over anger and compassion over judgment. These seemingly insignificant actions have a ripple effect. They create a culture of kindness that permeates every aspect of our lives. They remind us that we are all connected, and that our actions, no matter how small, have the power to make a difference. The dawn of a new civilization is not inevitable. It requires intentional action and sustained effort. It requires each of us to commit to personal growth and to hold ourselves accountable for our words and actions. Change starts from within. We must examine our own biases and prejudices. We must challenge our own assumptions and be willing to learn and grow. We must choose love over fear, hope over despair, and unity over division. This is not a burden. It's an opportunity. It's a chance to create a world where everyone can thrive. A world where happiness, respect, and love are not just aspirations, but the lived reality. Let's rise to the challenge and build a brighter future together.